Hi students, in this video we will solve this problem. Show that cot theta plus tan theta is equal to secant theta multiplied by cosecant theta. Okay, there are many methods of solving such problems. If you have show that or prove that, okay, this type of problems, there are many methods of solving it. Okay, we will learn three methods in this video. We'll use three methods to solve this problem. All right. Now, what is the first method? See, we know trigonometric table, sine, cos, tan, okay, 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees and 90 degrees. This is 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2 and 1, and cos values will be the reverse, right? 1 by 2 and 0. Tan will be sine divided by cos. So 0, 1 by root 3, 1, this is root 3, this is not defined. Okay. Cot and tan. Okay. We need cot also, right? So cot will be the reverse of this tan. This is root 3, 1, 1 by root 3 and 0. And secant. Okay. Secant will be reciprocal of cos. Or let us write cosecant first. Cosecant will be reciprocal of sine. So not defined. 1 by 2 will become 2 by 1. This will be root 2. This will be 2 by root 3 and this will be 1. Secant will be the reciprocal of cos. Sorry. Yes, reciprocal of cos or the reverse of cosecant. 1, 2 by root 3, root 2, 2 and not defined will come. This is root 2. Okay. Now see here. We can consider theta as any angle. We can consider it as 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45, 60 or 90 degrees. It is up to us. Okay. But my advice is take theta is equal to 45 degrees. Because in 0 degrees we have not defined also here, right? And zeros are also there. So in the denominator if we get 0 and if we get not defined, it will be little difficult for us. Okay. We cannot solve the problems in fact, right? Whereas in 90 degrees also we have not defined. So don't take 0 and 90 degrees. 95% of the times you can take 45 degrees. Okay. In some very rare cases you can take 30 or 60 degrees also. But most of the times consider theta as 45 degrees. So what is LHS now? It is cot theta plus tan theta. So if you take theta is equal to 45 degrees, if you consider theta is equal to 45 degrees, substitute what is this? It will become cot 45 plus tan 45. We know cot 45 is 1, tan 45 is also 1. So this is 1 plus 1, it will be equal to 2. Okay. Alright. Now what is RHS? RHS is secant multiplied by cosecant. We took theta is equal to 45, right? So substitute theta is equal to 45 here also. 45 secant 45 degrees, cosecant 45 degrees. So secant 45 is root 2, cosecant 45 is also root 2, root 2 and root 2. So root 2 multiplied by root 2, it is equal to 2. So LHS and RHS both are equal, right? So this implies cot theta plus tan theta, it is equal to secant theta multiplied by cosecant theta. Okay. You can use this trick in competitive exams. Alright. Theta is equal to 45, you substitute, you find the values. Okay. This is one method. Let me just rub this. So the first method which we learned was using trigonometric table. Okay. No matter how difficult that problem is, you can simplify it using theta is equal to 45 degrees. Okay, you will get the answer. Another one is using a right angle triangle. Let this be A, B and C, theta be here, angle B is 90 degrees. Okay, so this will be the opposite side, this will be adjacent side and this will be the hypotenuse side. Okay, now we have sine, cos, tan, cosecant, secant, cot. What is the line I told you to remember? Old hero and his old acting. We learned this in one of our first videos in trigonometry, right? Old hero and his old acting. All right. Now, what is cot? See, let us take LHS. LHS is cot theta plus tan theta. What is cot? cot is adjacent divided by opposite. So let us write adjacent divided by opposite plus tan. What is tan? Opposite divided by adjacent. So this is opposite divided by adjacent. Let us simplify this. Denominators are different, so let us multiply the denominator. So this will be opposite multiplied by adjacent. Adjacent into adjacent will be adjacent square, plus opposite into opposite will be opposite square. So see, this is like this, 1 by 2, suppose 1 by 3, 2 into 3 and 1 into 3 plus 1 into 2, same thing, right? Like this. Okay, so this will become adjacent plus opposite whole square, adjacent plus opposite whole square divided by opposite multiplied by adjacent. Okay, but what is adjacent square plus opposite square? See, if you apply Pythagoras theorem here, hypotenuse square will be equal to adjacent square plus opposite square, right? Adjacent square plus opposite square is equal to what? It is hypotenuse square. So in place of this we can write hypotenuse square. Okay, we have opposite multiplied by adjacent. So what I'll do here is I'll write hypotenuse divided by opposite once and hypotenuse divided by adjacent. See, hypotenuse square, I am writing it as hypotenuse multiplied by hypotenuse. What is hypotenuse divided by opposite? Hypotenuse divided by opposite is cosecant. So this part will become cosecant theta multiplied by hypotenuse divided by adjacent. Hypotenuse divided by adjacent will become secant. We got RHS. Secant multiplied by cosecant. We got cosecant multiplied by secant. It is same, right? We can write it as secant theta multiplied by cosecant theta. LHS and RHS are equal. Okay, this is the other method of solving this problem. I hope this is clear. Now let us learn the actual method, the ideal method. Okay. All right. Third method. We solved this problem using two methods. Let us do it in the third method. Okay. Cot theta plus tan theta is given. We know cot theta is cos theta divided by sin theta. And what is tan theta? Sin divided by cos theta. Okay. So if you substitute these values here, cot, see, this is our LHS. Cot is cos divided by sin theta plus tan is sin divided by cos theta. This third method is in fact the second method which we studied. Okay, sin divided by cos plus sin, cos divided by sin plus sin divided by cos. Denominators are different, so we need to multiply the denominators and cross multiply this. So this will become cos into cos, cos square, plus sin into sin is sin square theta. Okay, but this is an identity, right? Cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. Cos square theta plus sin square theta, it is equal to 1. This is the formula. So this is 1 divided by, see, this whole numerator will become 1 divided by sin theta and cos theta. Okay, we can write it as 1 by sin theta. Okay, 1 by sin theta, 1 by cos theta. What is 1 by sin? It is cosecant theta. What is 1 by cos? It is secant theta. We got RHS. See, we can write it as secant theta multiplied by cosecant theta. Okay, LHS and RHS are equal. I hope you understood this problem. In such type of problems, what is given in LHS we should observe carefully, and which formula can we apply. Okay, and what is there on RHS. From LHS, how can we get RHS, that we should check. Okay, I hope you understood all three methods. See you in the next video.